How to add job to your profile on REDnote app. First, launch REDnote application on your device. Make sure that you logged into your account with your login credentials. Then you will reach on your home feed. Tap profile icon in bottom right corner of your screen. You will access your profile feed. Tap profile at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and now choose job. And here you will access the choose job section, where all the job titles are given in Chinese. If you understand Chinese, you can easily scroll down and look for your job. And then tap on Save button at top right corner of your screen. And you can even add more job by tapping on Add Job. So that is how we add job on REDnote application on our profile. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.